Today I'm going to talk to you about hosting a broker's open house. You must be super nice, super friendly because you want to sell this house. In the last few weeks, I had really bad experiences on Brokers Open. The agent didn't allow me to take any sort of photos during the Brokers Open house, which I think in today's social media frenzy world, it's a big no-no, and he was very argumentative, and I just kind of like left. I mean, it was super upsetting. And especially that the market is changing, you have to be super friendly and inviting. And this is your chance to actually sell the house, not just to the buyers, but also to agents who potentially could have amazing buyers in their database. So this is a must as we move on. And you need to accept the fact that in social media life that we live in, the people are gonna take photos and people wanna share.